A taste of India. Chicken bhuna masala is a beloved Indian dish. It bursts with flavor. Tender chicken is cooked in a rich, spiced gravy. This dish is perfect with fluffy naan bread. The word bhuna means to brown. This refers to the cooking technique. The chicken and spices are browned together. This creates a deep, intense flavor. Naan is a leavened bread. It is cooked in a tandoor oven. You can make it at home too. Naan is perfect for scooping up the delicious sauce. This recipe is easy to follow. It is perfect for beginners. You can enjoy the taste of India at home. Let's get cooking! For the chicken bhuna masala, 500 grams boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 large onions finely chopped, 4 cloves garlic minced, 2-inch piece of ginger minced, 2 green chilies slit lengthwise, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste, 400 grams chopped tomatoes, ½ cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons oil, fresh coriander leaves chopped for garnish. For the naan, 2 cups plain flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ cup warm water, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 2 tablespoons oil, butter or ghee for brushing. 1. Heat oil in a large pan. Add cumin seeds, let them splutter. 2. Add chopped onions. Cook until golden brown. 3. Add ginger garlic paste and green chilies. Sauté for a minute. 4. Add coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and red chili powder. Cook for a minute. 5. Add chopped tomatoes. Cook until they soften. 6. Add chicken pieces. Cook until they turn white. 7. Reduce heat to low. Add yogurt and salt. Mix well. 8. Cover and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. 9. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Section 4. The art of naan making. In a bowl, combine flour, sugar, yeast and salt. Add warm water, yogurt and oil. Mix to form a dough. Knead the dough for 5 to 7 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place the dough in an oiled bowl. Cover and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours. Divide the dough into equal-sized balls. Roll each ball into a teardrop shape. Heat a griddle or skillet over medium heat. Cook each naan for 2 to 3 minutes per side until puffed up and golden brown. Brush with melted butter or ghee. Section 5. Serving and savouring your creation. Serve the chicken bhuna masala hot. Enjoy it with the freshly made naan bread. You can also serve it with rice. For a complete Indian meal, add some raita, which is a yogurt dip, and pickle. Enjoy the symphony of flavours.